Hello, myself Divya Porwal. I am volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Science. This video contains forensic science important sections in Indian Penal Code, Series 7. In this video, we are going to learn about the sections which are comes in Right of Private Defense, Part B. So, for better understanding, we cover the sections in a pair form. The related sections are we understand in a pair form or difference between both the sections. So, let's start with section 100 and section 101. Section 100 says that when the right of private defense of the body extend to causing death, the right of private defense of the body extends under the restrictions mentioned in the last preceding sections to the voluntary causing of death or of any other harm to the assailant if the offense which occasions the exercise of the right be of any the descriptions hereafter illuminated, namely: first, such an assault as men may reasonable cause or the appreciation that death will otherwise be consequence of such assault. Secondly, such as assault as many reasonably cause the apprehension that grievous hurt will otherwise be consequence of such assault. Thirdly, an assault with the intention of committing rape. Fourthly, an assault with the intention of gratifying unnatural lust. Fifthly, an assault with the intention of kidnapping and abducting. Sixthly, an assault with the intention of wrongfully confining a person under circumstances which may reasonably cause him to apprehend that he will be unable to have recourse to the public authorities for his release. And seventhly, an act of throwing or administrating acid or an attempt to throw or administrated acid which may reasonably cause the apprehension that a grievous hurt will otherwise be the consequence of such act. So, on the basis of section 100, we can say that any person commit murder or kill the victim in right of private defense is punished by under section 100. Then we come to the section 101, which says that when such right extend to causing any harm other than death means it is related to section 100, but in this section we are considered that the victim is not been murdered or not been dead, it is alive. On the basis of bare act language, if the offense be not of any of the descriptions and enumerated in the last preceding sections, mean in section 100, the right of private defense of the body does not extend to voluntarily causing of death to the assailant, but does extend under the restrictions mentioned in section 99 to the voluntarily causing of the assailant of the any harm other than death. If you missed out the previous video which connect the section 99, so go and check it out first so that you can relate both the sections. So the conclusion of section 100 and section 101 is section 100 says that the person kill the victim, and in section 101 the person does not kill the victim, it only causing the harm. Next we see the section 103 and 104. When the right of private defense of property extends to causing death, the right of private defense of property extends under the restrictions mentioned in the section 99 to the voluntarily causing of death or of any other harm to the wrongdoer if the offense the committing of which or attempting to commit which occasions the exercise of the right be an offense of any of the descriptions hereafter eliminated, namely: first, robbery; second, housebreaking by night; thirdly, mischief by the fire committed on any building, tent, or vessel, which building, tent, or vessel is used as a human dwelling or as a place for the custody of property; fourthly, theft, mischief, or house trespass under such circumstances and as as may reasonably cause apprehension that death of grievous hurt will be consequence if such right of private defense is not exceeded. In the comparison of section 103, the next section is 104. When such right extends to causing any harm other than death, if the offense committing of which or attempting to commit which occasions the exercise of right of private defense be theft, mischief, or a criminal trespass, not of any of the descriptions enumerated in the last preceding section, That right does not extend to the voluntarily causing of death, but does extend subject to restrictions mentioned in section 99 to the voluntarily causing of wrongdoer of any harm other than death. In this, both sections right of private defense is done for the property, but in 103 death occurred and in 104 not. So this is the simple difference between both the pair of sections. I hope you understand, and if you have any queries, put in the comment section. Thank you.